Good evening, all student UPSC aspirant English medium student. Thanks for joining me. I remind you in the last class, chapter 12. So today is chapter 12, questions with answer, buildings, paintings and books. So you all student look at the board. UPSC NCRT History 6 to 12 preparation English medium student, my YouTube channel. Topic chapter 12, questions with answer. Let's recall. Before discuss some important dates. First, beginning of a stoop buildings 2300 years ago. Second, Amravati 2000 years ago. Third, Kalidas 1600 years ago. Fourth, Iron Pillars Temple at Bhitargaon paintings and Ajanta Aryabhat 1500 years ago. And last fifth, Durga Temple 1400 years ago. So let's recall. Let's go ahead. Questions number first. Match the following. A stoop. A stoop. Two option. Mount. B. Shikhar. Fifth tower. C. Mandap. Fourth, palace in temple where people could assembly. D. Garbhagriha. First options, palace where the image of the deity is installed. E. Pradakshina path. Third, circular path around the stoop. And second questions, filling the blanks. A. Dash was a great astronomer. Aryabhat was a great astronomer. B. Stories about gods and goddesses are found in the Dash Puran. C. Dash is recognized as the author of the Sanskrit Ramayana, Valmiki. And last D. Dash and Dash are two Tamil epics, Silapadikaram and Mani Mekhalai are two Tamil epics. Let's discuss. Questions number 3. Make a list of the chapter in which you find mention of metal working. What are the metals object mentioned also in the chapters? Answer. List of the chapters in which we find mention of metal working. First chapter, in the earliest cities. Second, what books and burials tell us. Third, kingdoms, kings and an early republic. Fourth, beetle village, thriving towns. Fifth, traders, kings and pilgrims. Sixth, new empires and kingdoms. And last, seventh, buildings, paintings and books. Questions number 4. Read the story on page 130. In what ways is the monkey kings similar to or different from the kings you read about in chapter 6th and 11th? Answer. The monkey kings show some similarities and some differences with human kings. While many kings assumed grand titles, the monkey kings did not have such little. Most of the kings took good care of their subjects. The monkey kings show the same mindset. Questions 5. Find out more and tell a story from of the epics. Answer. The Ramayana contains the story of Hanuman and other monkeys. They promised to help Ram in his search of Sita. Hanuman had a special power which enabled him to reach Sri Lanka in spite of many difficulties. He found the whereabouts of Sita, who was kept in Ashok Vatika by Ravan. Let's do. You all students should think and try to write it themselves. So last three questions themselves. Let's do. You all students should think and try to write in themselves. So questions number 6th. List some steps that can be taken to make buildings and monuments accessible to differently abled people. So my points, following my points and some hints. Following steps can be taken to make buildings and monuments. First, ramps, handrails, railings, and wheelchairs should be provided at buildings. Second, at monuments and historical palace, guides should help the differently abled. And third, handbooks printed in Braille should be made available. Fourth, proper lighting must be arranged. And seventh questions, try and list as many uses of paper as you can. So my points, first, try and list as many uses of papers as you can. Paper is used for first making notebooks and which we write. Second, making books. Third, newspapers. Fourth, packing materials. Fifth, postcard, envelopes, postal stamps, revenue stamps. And last question 8. If you could visit any one of the palaces described in this chapter, which would you choose? The why? If I get an opportunity of visit any one of these palaces, I would plan to go to Mahabalipuram. So the main reasons are, first, it is built on the waterfront near the Bay of Bengal. And second, both monolithic and structured temples are built in the same complex. Third, sea beauty of temples can't be surpassed by others. Fourth, monolithic temples are skillfully chiseled, heaved, and sculptured. And last, fifth, most of the temples are intact. They have not been destroyed by vagaries of time. So today's enough class. In the next class, 7th class history. So today is our past 6th class, all about chapter finished. So you all student, next class 7th history NCERT with the next class. So till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks.